Good evening, everybody, and thank you for joining us for KRK4 News at 5. I'm Bob Clausen.
And I'm Mallory Brooks. We are your local election headquarters, and big news out of the capital city this afternoon.
The Arkansas Supreme Court kicked the tort reform issue off the November ballot while keeping the minimum wage issue on it. KRK4 Jess Stewart joining us now live with the very latest in this. Hey, Jess.
Yeah, hey, Bob and Mallory. So issue 1, known as tort reform, will still be on the ballot since they've already been printed, but the votes just won't be counted. Now, it would have set a cap on non-economic damages in tort cases like medical malpractice and nursing home negligence, limited attorney's fees, and allowed state lawmakers to enact court rules. The Supreme Court upheld a Pulaski County Circuit judge's ruling that issue 1 unconstitutionally combined separate proposals. Throughout the campaign, the legislature, having more power over the judiciary, drew the most criticism.
I have great faith that the Supreme Court doesn't really let the politics affect their decisions. They reached this decision based on an analysis of the applicable law. But it's important to remember that whether it was at the Supreme Court or at the ballot box, issue 1 was destined and doomed to fail.
The campaign in support of issue 1, Arkansans for Jobs and Justice, released a statement saying, in part, this very ruling demonstrates the need for the reforms contained in issue 1 that seek to restore the balance among our branches of government. 6 members of the court have once again reinforced and indeed protected their position as the ultimate and unchecked authority in Arkansas government. The only ballot issue that we are still waiting on up to this point is issue 3, term limits. Early voting starts on Monday. Back to you guys.